Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can convert a PDF document into a Google Docs document. So many of you may have some confusion of what will you do it. So the purpose of this doing this is that when you want to share this share a PDF with your colleagues or whoever you want in this anywhere of this world. So how you can do it, so how anyone can edit if you use the Google Docs documents. Anyone can download, anyone can do anything, any kind of a thing. So this is the purpose of this video. So for example, so I have a PDF documents of this, has some content, has an image as well. So now I am going to convert this PDF document into a Google Docs document. So for doing that, first of all, I need to go to Google Drive, drive.google.com. drive.google.com. So we are into the interfaces of Google Drive. So we're gonna upload the PDF document first. So sorry, click on new, click on file upload. Now go to the desktop. This is the PDF document we have. This is the PDF document. So it will take a couple of seconds to upload the video. So the PDF is already updated. So this is the PDF. So now you're gonna open this with Google Docs. Click on open with Google Docs. Okay, so the PDF document is now opening into a Google Docs documents. Okay, there it is. This is the PDF documents. As you see that it is already loading. That's why we are not seeing the image. So the image has been added. So this is the PDF documents that we open in the Google Docs. So the purpose of this opening this in Google Docs is that you can share this PDF Google Docs documents with anyone, with anywhere of this world. So now you can edit, you can do whatever you want. So this is it. This is the purpose of this video. So I hope this video will help you a lot, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.